it's quite an amazing journey also to bring all these entities together and align in terms of vision and like how you can support each other. Now, shifting gears a little bit, because obviously there's no talk about transformation without talking about Vision 2030. So how does, and technology has a really key role to play in this transformation. What do you think is the key in terms of like, or the most like present use cases in health that will help you realize the Vision 2030, specifically in healthcare?
Well, Dr. Louisa, in your presentation, you said it loud and clear, which is now there is a big opportunity for SMEs to enter the market. As we know, the Kingdom have embarked on a huge transformation with the Vision 2030, with 3 objectives, which is to enhance access to care, improve the quality, and reduce risk. We know that the MOH is moving as well to more super regulatory body, which is MOH 3.0. So all of the operation and the business that the Ministry of Health is providing will let me go to the private sector. So that increased the appetite for any investor, entrepreneurs to enter the market. As we know, healthcare and education is a big market, especially here in the region. In 2018, the expenditure before COVID for the Ministry of Health is around 172 billion Saudi riyal. So that's a big market. And I think the opportunity is wide big.
Thank you for that. Looking at it from an opportunity perspective, what are, you think, some of the use cases that technology can today solve critical issues, be it like, I don't know, is it chronic disease management? Is it more on the oncology, like cancer screening? What are some of the areas that you really see an opportunity for now, for disruption?
I think AI and precision medicine and biotechnology brings a lot of potential, and we can see how it's reshaping the healthcare. I think the potential is high, and we are seeing and witnessing these technologies that we are talking about are not futuristic. We're applying them day by day and testing them and making sure that they add value, and they are adding value. So I'm a big believer in those technologies, and the potential is every day we witness those innovations and how they are reshaping the way we think about medicine.
Absolutely.